And South Korea has reported 123 new cases of the coronavirus, bringing its total number to 556. There's also been another death, bringing the death total to 4. Prime Minister Chung Sye-kyun has described the situation as grave. He's calling on the public to cooperate with the government to contain the spread of the virus. Chung says the government will take severe actions against any move that interferes with quarantine efforts, such as mass rallies. Also applies to illegal hoarding of medical goods. We get more details from CGTN's Joseph Kim.
Concerns are mounting the coronavirus outbreak is getting out of control in South Korea. The country has reported at least a 6-fold jump in the number of infections, as well as its first fatalities.
We can confirm that infections have spread within communities in some regions. Daegu and the North Gyeongsang province are in a special situation.
The surge in infections is mostly traced to a hospital and religious sect in the country's southeast. A vast majority of the confirmed cases center in this region. Local health officials believe a member of the religious sect may have been a super spreader, and hundreds to thousands more of the church are suspected of having the disease.
The government is taking stricter measures by designating the Daegu and the Cheondo areas as special care zones after the sudden spike in confirmed cases from these areas.
The city of Daegu is now empty. Health authorities are asking the region's 2.5 million inhabitants to stay indoors. Meanwhile, in Seoul, the city has banned rallies and other mass gatherings to try and stop the spread of infection. But not all are adhering to the warning. We're here near Chongno, the district with the highest number of infections in Seoul. Despite government efforts to try and contain the spread of the coronavirus, conservative and religious groups are gathered here and defying the protest ban. This is raising public concerns, like in Daegu, that groups with vested interests are putting the rest of the population at risk. South Korea's prime minister says the country is entering an emergency phase, but the government isn't hitting the panic button just yet, saying the situation is still manageable. However, officials have their work cut out, trying to determine infection routes amid fears the virus is now circulating in the local population. Joseph Kim for CGTN, Seoul.